Hello guys, so today it's another vlog and today's vlog we have the new Fujifilm X-S20. Guys, so I miss my XS10. Actually, I have the Fujifilm X-S10 before and we use for our vlog, but today, yeah, I already sold out for that. And today we have the new Fujifilm X-S20, so I miss my XS10 again. But again today, we're gonna unbox and check the new Fujifilm X-S20. So what's new from the X-S20? So let's check and yeah, first let's check the overview of the camera, the highlights. So again, this is already 26.1 megapixel APS-C X-Trans BSI CMOS 4 sensor. Wow. So yeah, with X processor, 5 image stable processor, 5 axles in body stabilization, similar with the first one. And now it's already 6.2K at 30 frames. It can do also 4K at 60 frames, and I think it's Full HD for 240 frames. Wow, good. And you have already 3.0, 1.8 dot varia angle touchscreen with 19 film simulation modes. Wow, it's 19 film simulation mode. ISO range up to 160, up to 12,800, up to 8 frames for shooting, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. So this is the new Fujifilm X-S20. And so all the new specs also I will put in the screen. And yes, let's start to unbox and check now the Fujifilm X-S20. So we have the black here. Yeah. So yeah, let's start. Okay. You have already your photo editing software free. So capture one. Yeah. Actually, guys, this is the body only that you can purchase, or you can take with the kit lens, which is the 1855. Yeah, the Fujifilm 1855 on this. So yeah, see it. Okay. So you have your Fujifilm strap. You have your USB-C to USB-C for charging. Some power supply. Uh-huh. You have your again a power connector. Mhm. And the battery. They changed the battery. Now you have a bigger battery, which is the NPW235, similar of the XT4, XT5. Yeah, this is what inside the XT5. Let's check the camera. And wow, this is the Fujifilm XS10. So this is a quick unbox, and next time we will do comparison between the XS10 and the XS20 of the Fujifilm. Size, the gripping is almost similar, but I think they make it more bigger compared for the XS10. Because I remember, I think the XS10 is a little bit smaller, but the hand grip it's looks similar, identical. So yeah, this is the dial XS20. Uh-huh. Bluetooth connection. It's almost similar, guys. Yes, on and off button you have. Yeah. So yeah. So this is the XS10. Mm. This is the XS10 and this is the XS20. Okay. It's almost similar, guys. XS10 and XS20. Okay, buttons same. It's look identical. It's almost same. Only they add there's a Bluetooth um icon printed, but it's almost similar. And this is the XS10 and this is the XS20. So let's try to compare on the next vlog the XS10 and the XS20. And if you have demo unit for XS10, XS20, sorry. And we will try also to make a vlog on this. We will use as a vlogger camera and we will try the camera. So again, I think that's it for today. Again, if you want to know more about our products out of Fujifilm lineup here in AB World, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the Fujifilm cameras, lenses is already it's already there in our website. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo and video gears and tutorial. Yeah. So I think that's all today. Thank you and see you on the next vlog.